Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these system of equations. A plus 1 divided by b equals to 7. B plus 1 divided by c equals to 55. And a times b times c equals to 1. And now we are going to find the value of c plus 1 divided by a. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. We are going to manipulate these equations. Here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's go ahead and multiply out this left-hand sides over here. So let me go ahead and put them together. A plus 1 divided by b times b plus 1 divided by c times c plus 1 divided by a equals to, and now let's go ahead and multiply out first these two binomials by double distribution. So therefore we are going to get a times b plus a divided by c plus b divided by b plus 1 divided by b times c, and then I'm going to write down this part as it is, c plus 1 divided by a. And now we can see b divided by b is same as 1. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this b divided by b equals to 1. And now let's go ahead and multiply out these polynomials by doing the distribution once again. So therefore we are going to get this one, a times b times c plus ab divided by a plus a times c divided by c plus a divided by a c plus c plus 1 divided by a plus finally c divided by b c plus 1 divided by a b c. And now in this next step, this a and a is gone, this c and c is gone, this a and a is cancelled out as well, and here c is gone with this c. Now let's go ahead and rearrange these terms by combining this a times b times c and this 1 divided by a b c, and then I'm going to combine this a with this 1 divided by b, and then b with this 1 divided by c, and finally c plus 1 divided by a. So therefore we are going to get a b c plus 1 divided by a times b times c plus a plus 1 divided by b plus b plus 1 divided by c plus c plus 1 divided by a. Now let me go ahead and put parentheses around these one, a plus 1 divided by b, this b plus 1 divided by c, and finally c plus 1 divided by a. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever. So therefore we are ended up with the left hand side over here, which is 1 plus a divided by b, b plus 1 divided by c, and then times c plus 1 divided by a equals to whatever we got on the right hand side. And now we can see our 1 plus 1 divided by b equals to 7. So I'm going to replace this one by 7. And likewise b plus 1 divided by c in our case is 55. So I'm going to replace this one by 55. So therefore our left hand side could be written as 7 times 55 times, I'm going to leave this one as it is, c plus 1 divided by a equals to, now let's focus on the right hand side, a times b times c in our case is 1. Likewise, this 1 divided by a, b, c is 1 as well. And likewise, a plus 1 divided by b in our case is 7. So I'm going to replace this one by 7. And then b plus 1 divided by c in our case is 55. So I'm going to replace this one by 55. So therefore, the right hand side I can write 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus this is 7 plus 55 plus I'm going to leave this one as it is, c plus 1 divided by a. And now we can see 1 divided by 1 is same as 1. As you can see in this next equation, I replace this 1 divided by 1 equals to 1 over here. Now in this next step, I'm going to multiply 7 times 55. So therefore, that is going to give us 385 times c plus 1 divided by a equals to, and on the right hand side, let's go ahead and combine these constants. So therefore, the right hand side is going to become 64 plus c plus 1 divided by a. Now let's go ahead and move this c plus 1 divided by a on the left hand side. So therefore, we are going to have 385 times c plus 1 divided by a is already there, and when we move this one on the left hand side become minus c plus 1 divided by a equals to 64. And now we can see c plus 1 divided by a and c plus 1 divided by a in common. So therefore, I can factor out c plus 1 divided by a outside, and we are ended up with 385 minus 1 over here equal to 64. And now 385 minus 1 is going to give us 384. So therefore, we got 384 times c plus 1 divided by a equal to 64 on the right hand side. And now let's go ahead and divide both sides by 384 over here and 384 on the right hand side as well. And now we can see this 384 and 384, this is gone. So we simply ended up with c plus 1 divided by a equals to, when we reduce this one, that's going to give us 1 divided by 6. So thus our solution for c plus 1 divided by a turns out to be equal to 1 over 6. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.